Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Curries2Cakes. It's not a recipe video today, rather my first vlog. And yeah, it's my voiceover for the first time. Yeah, last week I was busy attending my cousin's wedding, so thought to make a vlog for you so that you too can enjoy it. So here it is. Everyone dancing around. Oh, look at him. My goodness, he didn't take my camera. Haha, that's awesome. Two of my cousins dancing, the tall and the short. Flowers all around. And yes, you guessed it right, that's an RGB inspired shot. Haha, the naughty cousin again. Okay, time for haldi now. Meet the bridegroom's icon, and the guy beside him is his world's best friend. His expression, guys. Heading to the shower. Doesn't he look like a marinated chicken? Oh yes, forgot to mention, he's a bodybuilder. He's all dressed up now and some rituals happening around. That cute little boy. Look at his blush. Now, my favorite part, the food section, but it's all veg today. Salad, puri, tamarind rice, mirchi bhaji, chole, paneer, veg biryani, some raita, plain rice, mango dal, some ghee, pickles, bhindi fry, that's the lady's finger, sambar, and crispy papad. Now let's see what's there for dessert. Oh gosh, that's double ka meetha. This dessert is very famous here in Hyderabad. That's my cousin's house, all decorated. Mehendi going on, and the bridegroom is busy with his phone. That's me, your chef. Sorry, I couldn't look at you guys because I was very busy choosing my hairstyle for the wedding. Guess who? Our special guest, Richard. He's my cousin's friend who came all the way from Norway to attend the wedding. Some crazy pictures after our mehendi. Okay, now it's afternoon and I'm at the wedding hall. Came to supervise all the arrangements. Haha, kidding. Still, the decoration is going on. Now let's head to the kitchen here. It's so big, guys. All the kitchen videos here will be in my next vlog, so stay tuned. Back to home. Still, the ritual is going on. By the way, it's a South Indian wedding from Hyderabad. He wore the same dress again, guys. That's gifted by me. All dressed up and leaving to the wedding hall. Now I'm at the venue and walking on the green carpet. Not the red one actually. Here are the lovebirds. Look at his eyebrows, guys. And that's me. Mocktails section here. They were so damn good. He made a special one for me. Also, he asked to return the glass later. Look at those vibrant colors. Here's my friend. This guy has sponsored me his camera for the day. Have a look at his channel, guys. He's my filmy cousin. Sorry, the camera battery has drained out. So all I have are these selfies now. That's me and the hairstyle, guys. Early morning selfies at 4 am. And that's it. This is my first attempt at vlogging. Make yourself heard in the comment section below about what you liked and what you'd like me to improve. Thanks for watching.